Hello everyone, what's up there, fitness enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to destination for honest reviews and tips to power your workouts. Today, we are diving into a fan favorite Muscle Milk Genuine Protein Powder in Chocolate. It's designed to help build muscle, support recovery, and keep you fueled throughout the day. And guess what? It's gluten-free too. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, perfect for keeping your protein powder fresh. But what really matters is inside, right? Let's talk about the chocolate flavor. It's one of their most popular options. Smells like dessert in a tub. A solid choice for anyone on the go or after a tough workout. Now, let's put it to the ultimate test. Taste. Mixed with water, the chocolate flavor is smooth, rich, and not overly sweet. If you mix it with milk or almond milk, it's like having a creamy chocolate shake. Perfect for satisfying those sweet cravings. Overall, it's a well-rounded option for people who want more than just a basic protein powder. This is a great choice for athletes, busy professionals, or anyone looking to add quality protein to their diet. Whether you're bulking, maintaining, or recovering, this could be your new best friend. And there you have it, my review of Muscle Milk Genuine Protein Powder in Chocolate. Is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for a delicious, protein-packed supplement to support your goals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness reviews, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite protein powder? Let's talk about it.